to teach you how to make a drink umbrella for our June 2024 adult picnic kit.
So we have provided you with a half sheet of cardstock paper, a wooden skewer and a wooden button, and a paper doily. And we'd recommend using your own pencil, scissors, hot glue gun, glue stick, and roller. So your first step is to cut out what is approximately a 2-inch diameter circle. And you can use a roller to do that, or a method that I prefer because I'm not great at freehanding things. You can find an object that's approximately 2 inches in diameter and just trace that with your pencil and cut it out. Then you're going to flip over your paper doily so the rough bottom side is showing. Apply glue to the center of that doily and glue down that white paper circle. Next, take your scissors and simply cut a slit into your paper doily halfway up. And now you get to decide how you want to design the umbrella shape. So you can bring it further in for a more domed umbrella or keep it further out for a wider umbrella shape. Just try to keep the edges of that doily, that design on the edge, lining up so that it looks seamless. And apply glue to the part of the doily that you're going to be covering up. And apply pressure to glue that to itself. So you have your umbrella shape. Finally, taking your hot glue gun, apply a dot of glue to the flat part of that wooden skewer and glue it to the center of the underside of your umbrella. So the most domed part of that umbrella. Try to keep it straight up and down. And then take your wooden button, apply a dot of glue to the underside of that button, and glue it to the center of the top of your umbrella. And there you have it, a little drink umbrella you can put in a glass of lemonade for a summer picnic. And don't miss our upcoming community creation